Everybody knows the proper amount of water is important for healthy plants. Here's a great tip on container gardening.
Well, Danny, a lot of people enjoy gardening in containers because of the color it gives to a patio.
Right, sure does.
And it's really important to have something that's going to retain the moisture. And one simple way to do that is by using a glazed pot that's going to keep the moisture inside the pot.
Okay.
Another important thing, though, is to be able to drain the water out when you do water, and so that's important to have that hole down there.
Yeah, if not, it'll really get waterlogged in there.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. So the first thing I do is put a little piece of screen on, and I actually have a really fun tip, and that is using tea bags to hold the moisture in.
Old tea bags.
Right, I've been having my husband drink tea for weeks now, and I am going to put these in the bottom of this pot, and just as when you infuse tea, the water goes through, what's going to happen in this instance is it's going to help retain some of the moisture.
Okay.
So if you'll help me with this, we're going to put a little bit of this soil in here. Okay, that's good.
Looks pretty good.
Exactly. And tea, many people know that tea also is a source of acid. So some of these plants that I'm putting in here love acid, especially this miniature rose.
So it's really keeping that area very moist on the bottom of the container, right where those roots will be drawing it into it.
So all you do is water like you always do, and you might be able to cut down the watering just a little bit with these happy tea bags.
Sounds great.